Hello dear students, today's topic is halogenation of benzene. Halogenation of benzene is the example of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction because the reaction is taking place on the benzene ring, which is example of aromatic ring. Here one of the hydrogen of benzene ring as H plus is substituted with the halonium ion. That's why the reaction is called as electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, because both the H plus and the halonium ion are the example of the electrophiles. Let's look at the example, that is chlorination of the benzene. The chlorination of benzene takes place in several steps, out of which the step number 1 is the generation of the electrophile. Here two chlorine atoms in the form of chlorine molecules react with FeCl3, that is ferric chloride, to give a complex, this one. If we look at the electron dot structure, we can find that in chlorine molecule, two chlorine atoms are attached with each other by a sigma bond, while in case of FeCl3, the iron is attached with 3 chlorine atoms by 3 sigma bonds. But in this structure, the iron is surrounded by 6 electrons, only 2, 4 and 6. Hence, to complete its octet, it is in need of a pair of electron which can be shared by one of the chlorine atom. So, one of the chlorine share its pair of electron towards the iron through the coordinate bonding. Hence, it acquire a positive charge, while the iron will acquire the negative charge. Hence, there is generation of the electrophile. In this case, it is chloronium ion. So, this chloronium ion in need of electrons will attack on the benzene ring. When this attack takes place, there is generation of the benzenonium ion. The chlorine to carbon bond is being formed, while the carbon to hydrogen bond is being broken down. And during this process, the carbon which is going to be attached with the chlorine acquires a partial positive charge. To satisfy the electron need of this carbon, the other carbons may tend to share their electrons of the pi bond. During this process, a whole positive charge is generated over the benzene ring. Hence, this carbocation is called as benzenonium ion. During the attach of this halonium ion over the carbon of the benzene ring, the rest of the FeCl4 molecule will be released out. The benzenonium ion is quite unstable because there is disturbance in the aromaticity. Hence, to regain the aromaticity, the benzenonium ion will lose a proton, and this proton may react with one of the chlorine of FeCl4 ion, and thus it tends to form HCl, the halobenzene, in this case it is chlorobenzene, and FeCl3 once again. So here we can see that the FeCl3 which is used in the step number 1 is released out as such in the last step of the reaction. Hence it is called as the catalyst, and the reaction is said to be proceed in the presence of catalyst FeCl3. So dear students, that are the important steps in the halogenation of benzene. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.